Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Stacey, creator at MotherNaked. If you want to follow me on Instagram, it's at MotherNakedCandles. And if you're interested in my weight loss and pregnancy journey, then it's at TrynaBeAMama on Instagram and YouTube. So today I just want to tell you that my website has launched. Yay! I'm so excited. I hope you guys like the products now that they're finally out into the world. I'm just beyond excited. It's been a lot of work in such a small space of time, so I just hope you guys like them. You can check my website out at www.mothernakedcandles.com. It's got a lot of stuff on there at the minute. I also just want to tell you that I am only shipping to the UK at the minute. I know I said originally I wanted to ship international, but at the minute with coronavirus, it is near damn impossible to get my product to you. It's like 5 weeks for 20 quid to send my batch of candles to you, and that's just insane at the moment. So I think I'm just gonna let everything and then revisit international shipping. So I'm very sorry if you're in America or Australia, or I'm trying to think of places anywhere but the UK, because all I'm shipping to is at the UK at the minute, so I'm very sorry about that. So what's it got on there? It's got a store so you can buy things. It's got candles and wax melts of 10 different scents: blackberry and bay, pumpkin and orange blossom, pear and elderberry, pomegranate and rhubarb, coconut and vanilla bean, basil and black pepper, sea salt and lime flower, coffee bean and cocoa, bergamot and dandelion, and orange balm and rosehip. So there are a few different kind of names there, and flavors, scents, and I absolutely adore them all. I didn't think I would, honestly, because you try and create scents that everyone will like, so there'll be a scent there for everybody, but I actually really like all of them. They're all really mainstream. I can't see anybody being really upset with a scent. They are all topped off with 100% grown ethical tea leaves. There isn't enough tea leaves on there to create an issue. It's literally just a little pinch. The fragrance oils that I use are from natural sources and essential oils. No parabens, silicons, phthalates, feel like that's a word, phthalates. It's also eco soy wax. It's the best wax in my opinion. I also use a ribbon wick, again, the best wick in my opinion. And it means it burns your candle evenly throughout, no candle tunneling. The wax melts are again in 10 different scents. Are really chunky. You get 10 wax melts per box, and that actually equates to 120 grams of wax, which is really good compared to other people selling wax melts. And my wax melts are £6 a tub. We have diffusers and room sprays on there. Again, no nasty stuff. It's all made from vegetable glycerin, so again it's vegan and cruelty free. I've actually tried to double the average diffuser and room spray. So the diffuser, a normal diffuser is probably about 70 mil, is 70 to 100 mil. I've gone to 145 mil, that's the diffuser. The average room spray is 100 mil, and we've gone to 200 mil. So you're getting a lot more for your money. And it's all natural. So we also sell refills for the room sprays and the diffusers. And lastly, my organic soap that is on there. It's all handmade. It isn't vegan. It is cruelty free, but it's not vegan because it's got honey in it. It's made with 100% vegetable base and essential oils. And for 90 grams, an organic soap is a steal for £3. Every purchase receives a little white tote bag with one of my little stickers on it. Basically just like a gift bag. They're all packed in these, and then for the first 50 customers to buy off my site, you get this tote bag. You also receive some of free wax melts with your purchases, and it's also free first class delivery over £30. I use Wix for my website needs. I think it's awesome. It's so simple. It costs me about £30 a month, but I've got extras in that. So I've got the hosting, then I've got other bits and pieces like business, analytics, SEO, email, so all that's in there. But there's different kind of monthly subscriptions, so it's really, really great if you want to open a shop online. And that's about it. Please go and have a look at it. www.mothernakedcandles.com if you want to have a look at it. I hope you guys all like it. Just a little bit of a recap. We've got candles on there. Ooh. Big box of wax melts. We've got our room spray for 200ml, glass bottle. It has got a plastic top, but it's PET plastic, so it's the alright kind of plastic. You can just throw it in your blue bin. And our diffuser bottle, which I absolutely adore. It goes with any style of decor, which is why I picked it. It comes with 6 reed sticks, and it's really powerful. We've got 3 scents that we use in our diffusers and our room sprays that aren't the 10 scents in our candles and wax melts. They're available in lavender and bergamot, gardenia and magnolia, and chamomile and lily. So that is our diffusers and our room sprays. We just tried to go for like housey smells that you really want your house to smell like. And some of our candle ones are a little bit strong for that. So we've gone for 3 different scents for diffusers and room sprays. So thank you so much for watching my launch video. Thank you for supporting me. I appreciate it so, so, so much. Don't forget to subscribe. You can check out my blog on my website as well. I put lots of different things. I think they've got only like 3 blog posts, but I will be posting each week on there as well. And don't forget to like this video if you've liked it. Thank you so much. Mwah!